This is Martin from MyAirly speaking, and this is another episode of AirTalks by MyAirly. Let's prepare the air. And today, my guest is Miss Eri Saikawa, an associate professor of Emory College, Atlanta, Georgia, United States. Hello, Eri.
Hello, how are you?
Thank you, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. So quarantine and stay-at-home orders, I think have led to the reduced traffic emissions and industrial emissions. For pollutants like nitrogen oxides, we can see a significant decrease in concentration levels. Carbon dioxide is also reduced substantially. Tropospheric ozone, I think, is more complicated. And so in some cities, there have been an increase because of the nonlinear response to NOx and VOC emissions. But I think overall, it's very clear that the air pollution has decreased. Some researchers have found that viruses can attach to particles like dust, pollen, and other particulate matter. Other researchers have also found that those that are exposed to air pollution could be more prone to COVID-19. So air pollution transmission appears to be very important for SARS-CoV-2 as well. But how air quality actually influences the course and the spread of the virus, I think, is a very understudied area. So there would need more research to find that. And I hope it will also increase our understanding on the link among different fields of study too. So in my opinion, I think having cleaner energy, cleaner production lines, and less wasteful society, that's the 3 steps that I think we need towards improving air quality. COVID-19 seems to be telling us that we need to make a better linkage between clean air and society with equitable and healthy society. So I hope we can move towards a society where humans and the environment can prosper together.
Okay, thank you very much for the interview.